Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tara Elizabeth, and today we're doing a super quick makeup tutorial. I feel like I say this almost every time, but okay, so as usual, I'm starting off with my Morphe like eyeshadow primer. I have a doctor's appointment. I know I blogged about it the first time I went for the infusion for my headaches, but I'm actually going now for my second time. It's in a different city. Since I am still on the crutches and everything, my boyfriend Jesse is going to take me up there. Like, he's driving and going with me. And he just texted me saying he was on his way. So that means I've got like approximately 30 minutes. And that's assuming he doesn't need to stop or anything. Okay, if you notice a difference in the lighting, like, or if it changes throughout the video, I apologize. I just got a ring light like a month ago. For my birthday. My parents got it for me, which was so sweet of them, but I'm just learning how to work it. I literally put it together last night, so please bear with me if I decide that it needs to be changed up a little bit, or if this video looks super washed out or anything like that. I apologize. I'm going to use my Too Faced bronzer and literally just throw this in my crease. And I think I'm going to use the Jaclyn palette just to do like a quick little pop of color on my inner corner. I'm not entirely sure what color I want to do yet because I don't know. Okay, I'm going to do my whole face and then I will come back and do the pop of color after. And I know this sounds super lame, but I love when like makeup, like YouTubers or makeup artists are doing YouTube videos, and again, no, this sounds so lame, but because of the ring light, and they have like the little ring in their eye where you can see the ring light, because I don't know, I feel like it just makes your eye color look so much more distinct, and I feel like my eye color does not really show up on videos, which always makes me sad, because like in real life, like, I mean, sometimes my eyes are darker, but for the majority, they're either like a greenish gold color. So yeah, I'm always sad because I feel like it does not show up at all when I'm filming. Okay, I just made y'all a little bit brighter. I hope that doesn't look bad. I don't know. It was brighter in my apartment a few minutes ago, but the sun kind of went behind the clouds. So now it's not as bright. So I was like, okay, I'll turn this up. But again, if it looks bad, I apologize. Okay, I talked to y'all about this. I think it was in my Christmas video. The Milani liquid blush. I have been absolutely loving this product. I think it looks so pretty. I usually do it after I've done like all my liquid products, like my foundation and my concealer. I'll pop this on, and I really like the way it makes my blush look and everything. And I've also used it as just like if I'm not wearing any makeup or I'm just wearing like mascara or something, I like putting that on because it kind of gives you like a really natural flush. On an absolutely ridiculously petty note, I was thinking this morning while I was getting ready, so I know y'all have all seen my little sister Olivia on my channel, and she's blonde hair, super curly, all that stuff. And so my two other sisters, Jordan and Cameron, both have very curly hair. My little sister Cameron, hers is like super like ringlet curls. Jordan's is like kind of wavy curls. And I feel like Olivia is a good mix in between the two of them. But I was thinking about that, and I was thinking, so both of my parents have curly hair. And I was just over here thinking, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so not fair. How did I end up, like, this is my natural hair texture. I washed it last night and let it dry and did not straighten it, did not blow dry it, nothing. And that's the hair texture, which sometimes it will be a little bit like I'll have like one or two. It's usually like up at my like bang area, not that I have bangs, but like that area that is a little wavy, like a little bit. I think people keep saying to me, they're like, oh, if you cut your hair it would be a lot more like wavy probably, but I do not want to cut my hair at all, so that's really not an option as of now. But it's just funny because like both of my parents have curly hair. Like if my dad lets his hair grow out, it is fairly curly. And then my mom, whenever she just lets hers like air dry and whatnot, It's really curly. It's pretty similar. It's kind of like a combo between Jordan and Olivia's hair. So it's curly. It's definitely what you would qualify as like wavy curly hair. And then you have my hair, which is neither of those things. So it's just, I just find it a little annoying that they got all the curls, which I'm sure if like they'll be like, oh, I wish, like they'll straighten their hair and I will curl my hair. So I mean, I'm 100% positive if I were to have curly hair, I would be like, oh my gosh, I want to have straight hair, let me straighten my hair, because that's just how it works. Everyone is always like, I have curly hair and I want straight, or they're like, I have straight hair and I want curly. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I would just love to have curly hair because all of the rest of them have it, but I don't, which I don't know. I find that super weird. Okay, surprisingly, y'all, we are doing pretty good on time. It is only 9:13, so I think we will make it. I still don't think I'll have time for lashes, but I'm gonna go in and do my eyeliner and do my mascara real quick, and I'll come back whenever I finish up my eyeshadow. Okay, you guys, so I am trying to pick a color. I kind of want, so I usually do yellow whenever I do this, but I'm trying to debate if I want to branch out today, but I also feel like leaving in 10 minutes probably shouldn't branch out. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick to yellow. So I'm gonna use the shade No Joke in the Jaclyn Hill in Morphe Volume 2 palette. And I'm gonna use a really small pencil brush from Eco Tools. I'm gonna try it with this, and if it doesn't work, I'll just go in with my finger. So I literally just take it and put it in the inner corner. I take it up a little bit into the, like in the inner crease area. So I feel like it's pretty pigmented, but I think I am just gonna go in with my finger a little bit and lightly. Yeah, that's much better. You can definitely tell the difference between this side and this side. So this one I did with my finger, this one I just did with like the brush. Okay, so I kind of like what we're working with. If you wanted to make it more of like a shimmer as opposed to a matte, what I have, you could go in with I'm In It. I also know if you have Jaclyn's Vault collection, I can't remember which one has the yellows, but whichever palette has the yellows in it, I've definitely used that. Majority of the time, that's what I use. I usually use that one in the Vault collection because it is usually what I have closer to me, because I keep it in my makeup drawer as opposed to in my closet. So I'll just like go in and grab that. But I wanted to use this because I thought for some reason thought I was gonna have more time. So I got that because I was like, okay, I'm gonna do like a cool look, but then obviously time is running short. So, which is totally fine. And I just wanted to kind of keep it matte today. I was thinking about keeping the rest of my face matte, but I think I want to add just a little bit of highlight because I don't know, y'all. This highlighter, I literally am so obsessed with it. I think like it is definitely my favorite highlighter out of all of the ones I have. Like if I could only choose one more highlighter to have like for like the rest of time and never get to use another one, it would for sure hands down be this. I was about to put it in my inner corner, but that would defeat the look. So definitely not. But yeah, so this is the final look, you guys. I hope you like it. It is definitely one of my favorite looks to do for a quick, like it takes not a lot of time, but it looks like you put a lot of time and effort into it. So that's personally why I love it so much. That's pretty much it for the video. So I hope y'all enjoyed, and I apologize about not being on here in so long. It's just been crazy with school. I just finished up school actually like at the beginning of the week, I think was when I had my last final. So yeah, I think it was Monday night. No, I did it on Sunday because I did it early. So I just finished on Sunday, but things were like crazy with the end of the semester. So I apologize about that, and I'm hoping that I will be able to be on here a lot more frequently. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. It helps me out and I definitely appreciate it. And that way you can get notified every Saturday at 4 p.m. whenever I post. But yeah, that's it, you guys. So I hope you all have a happy and safe weekend, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.